Hi friends, welcome to albitech. So today in this video we're going to burn chips. Yes, Kerala chips. As you can see, the Kerala chips Upperi is getting burned. As you can see in the video, it's too much, man. The oil is getting dripped. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my god, I just lost the count. If you can guess the count in the comment section, it will be great. Oh my god. So this kind of oil is getting consumed by a single piece of chips is so surprising to see. And if you consume a packet of Kerala chips, you can imagine the kind of cholesterol you're going to get. Sorry guys. So it's getting burned. Oh my god, I think I'm not going to consume chips again. So if you want to see any other chips, this kind of oil test, please comment below. Oh, almost 99% is got burned, I guess. Yeah, almost 99. Oh my god. So it's so surprising to see that 16 drops of oil is getting from a single piece of chips.